Hi Colorado, this is Clete Crocker, your home appliance guy. Hey, I've got some exciting news for you. Normally I bring you great deals, but today I want to bring you a great refrigerator. This just got introduced to me. It's Bosch's brand new refrigeration line. And what's really cool is this time Bosch is not sourcing this to any other manufacturer. This is actually being built by Bosch, and so we can expect the Bosch quality on there. I want to tell you a little bit about it. What you're seeing here, it doesn't have handles. You just pull in here to open it. But they've also got these refrigerators available with handles on it, so you can do it any way you want. There's no brand showing on the actual refrigerator, so you can mix this kitchen any way you want. The reason I'm going to show you this, because this is typically a little higher price than what I typically would show on these videos, but this is unlike any other refrigerator on the floor. This refrigerator has two evaporative coolers on there. It's got two compressors on there, and nobody else on this floor has that. This is really unique. That means that your temperature in the refrigerator doesn't mix with your temperature in the freezer. It also means that the temperature fluctuations inside from one corner to the next is all going to be the same, so you don't get those frozen spots that you could see in other refrigerators. The other thing I like is its styling. It's really nice. Take a look on the inside. Now, we don't have this powered up, but this does have very bright LED lights. And this trend of putting stainless steel backing on there really highlights it. The other piece that's different on this is we've got these movable shelves on this back. So this area where you pretty much lose any kind of storage, on Bosch, you're able to get that back and move it around so it fits whatever you have in there. It's got your normal cantilever shelves, and then you've got this deli drawer here that you can put anything you want in there. It's got the gallon door storage. What's nice is this has actually got water inside, a water dispenser. So you see there's no water dispenser out here. You get to keep that nice and clean like most of the nicer kitchens do. But on the inside, you still get your water. It's filtered water. It's filtered air in here. It's all going to remain fresh and clean. And then this drawer, this VitaFresh drawer, this is also something unique. So what this is this is where you would keep all these things. They show you meat and fish, fruits, vegetables, beverages, snacks, and you can do other things in here. But when you press these different options and you put those in these bins, that means that food is going to last longer for you. It's not going to go bad as quickly as it would have. It's being put in with the right amount of humidity and the right amount of temperature so the food lasts. Where other refrigerators, your food, this thing could make things last up to 3 times as long as a regular refrigerator. So this is a refrigerator that keeps paying for itself. So that's very cool. It even has filters inside there to collect the gases that comes off of the fruits and vegetables that help them turn or ripen too quickly. So that all gets absorbed in these filters, which is also unique in the marketplace. So I really like this. The other piece on this is down below. So we've got an ice maker down here. It just falls in this tray. It comes with this little scoop to get it out. But imagine you had a party going on. You could actually pull this whole thing out and just let the whole thing collect ice. I've not seen that before. This is really nice, and it makes, I think he said, somewhere around 6 pounds a day in ice, but whatever it is, it's nice. You would really enjoy that. Again, made by Bosch, not sourced out anywhere. This will match in any kitchen now because it doesn't have the brand showing. So if I had a Samsung kitchen, I had an LG kitchen, I had whatever brand and it's stainless steel, this would go in there and match very nicely. And since it doesn't have any handles on there, it wouldn't compete with other designs in the kitchen. But if I wanted handles, I could get it. I can also get this in stainless, black stainless. So their black stainless is very unique. We'll look at that some other day. But this is something I definitely recommend to everyone out there. Thank you.